So we mostly talk about entertainers. At times I go to church to talk to pastors. I go to different places to talk to people for us to learn a whole lot of things to help us as human beings. And then, no, your core, na your koshe, your hunemu, how we can live, Celeb. You're working on our spiritual aspects. You're doing entertainment, no. Your body knows also no. A bit me a dihuni. Na yetimi enyache na bibi tuya yankasa ye mame anase papa na so bi ena internet baba Amethyst Ghana technology many omo ebedi nkomo omo no oma bin ewo eba ayasemu a oma bin nti ebedi nkomo na yahwe how yeso yeti ase nti eno ebu aye nye ene eno ma osi ye na ye body ne so etimi akoyi na ho etimi ayeden na etimi atenase ache nti maba me Charles Hamidu our director international partnership development Amethyst Ghana technology. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you very much.
Before I talk to you, before we talk about the product or we talk about our health, we have to know the person we are talking to so that we know that he's qualified. He's a qualified person talking about that particular product. So who is Charles Hamidu?
So Charles Hamidu is an international development consultant. I've been in this business for over 25 years. I've worked for U.S. government contractors, primarily in health, education. Amethyst Ghana Limited is a sister company of a U.S.-based bioengineering company that works with the U.S. government, USAID, the U.S. Army, and a few others to help improve the health of individuals and populations throughout Africa and other parts of the world. So over the past 20 years, Amethyst has been working in a number of African countries, especially in East Africa, in Tanzania and in Kenya, to help improve health outcomes in those countries.
Okay, so what's informed the decision to bring Amethyst technology to Ghana?
So because we have presence in Tanzania and Kenya, and being a Ghanaian myself, I saw the opportunity to bring the same level of commitment and the same level of resource to help improve our health outcomes here in Ghana, hence setting up Amethyst Ghana Limited.
And what does Amethyst Ghana Limited do?
So Amethyst Ghana Limited has been, as I said earlier, has been supporting U.S. government organizations like USAID, like U.S. Army. We have provided assistance to a number of key health institutions like Komfanochi Hospital, where their lab, the general lab, has been supported by Amethyst. We have also supported through the U.S. Army, Kintampo Municipal Hospital, providing medications and other types of technical assistance as and when needed.
So, as a health practitioner, how do you see the country's health system?
I think it's an open secret that we have problems in our health delivery system. I'm not a doctor, but I've been in the health space long enough to recognize that there are some fundamental issues that we face. That notwithstanding, the growth of our population and the dense populations within the urban centers creates an opportunity to bring interventions that will help reduce the disease burden. And so this is one of the reasons why we are so active at this point in trying to push this new product, because we feel that it will help to improve the general health outcomes in the country.
And so, Osha Hana, your product or the see any more Theraworx different sizes and different shapes. What does the Theraworx do?
So Theraworks is it's a skincare product that, when applied to the skin, provides it with a shield, essentially. A shield against all kinds of diseases, a number of diseases specifically, like HIV, Ebola, herpes, VRE, CRE, MRSA. These are, we explain more on our website, www.theraworksafrica.com, as well as on our Facebook page. You can go on and you can learn more about what this product does. But it also deals with everyday skin issues like acne, like rashes, skin rashes, baby rashes, diaper care for both babies as well as our older folks who may be bedridden. It also is very powerful against yeast infections for women, or what we call white. It also helps people who have psoriasis or eczema. It has a whole host of applications that can help improve people's skin conditions, improve people's health altogether. But, you know, the one thing that we're constantly worried about is the outbreak of new infections that we don't have the necessary resources or the necessary antidote to. And a case in point was with the Ebola crisis. During the Ebola crisis, the manufacturer of this product actually shipped about 40 boxes to the Liberian government. And so at the time, the presidency, most of the functionaries, as well as the healthcare practitioners at their version of Kolebu, which is JFK Hospital, were using this product. So we know that this product has very important application in protecting, in treating, as well as in conditioning the skin.
When talking, you made mention of HIV/AIDS and then white. How does the Theraworks help those kind of diseases?
So what it does is, of course, HIV/AIDS is, as a virus, cannot survive on the skin very long. Within a couple of minutes, it's paralyzed. What this product does is that when it's applied to the skin, it acts as a shield. It works on a principle called pH. It drops the pH of the skin to 4.9 on a scale, a sliding scale. In the tropics or in our environment, the skin has a pH of about 7. And women have a higher pH than men do. So if you and I have a pH of 7, women would have a pH of maybe 7.4. That's why they get yeast infections, for example. And so what this product does is that it drops the pH down to 4.9. And by doing so, it creates an acidic layer on the skin, which makes it impossible for viruses like herpes, like HIV, like Ebola to survive. It also makes it impossible for bacteria like MRSA, like VRE to survive. And these are horrible diseases. So that is the basic technology. It is all natural. And when I say natural, I mean it is all natural. And when you go to the website and you look at the list of ingredients which we've published, you'll see that it is the sensitivity to this product is very, very, very low. It's almost nominal. And so anybody can use it. It's safe enough on baby skin. If women can use this, then you know it's extremely safe, because nobody wants to use a product that is not safe in their private parts. So this product has tremendous promise. We feel that it's going to help millions of our people, not just here in Ghana, but throughout Africa. And as I indicated, it's all natural. It's patented, so nobody else has this kind of technology. And so we're very excited. We think everybody should have one of these. So this is the foam, a Theraworks foam. It's 2 ounce, and you just apply it. It's like a foam, and you rub it on your hands. You can even rub it on your face. It's totally safe. We touch our faces about 1,000 times a day, and you don't know where somebody's hands have been. You shake someone's hand, you touch money, you touch door handles, you touch all kinds of surfaces, and then we touch our faces 1,000 times a day, and you don't know what's going to happen when you touch your face. In fact, you're not even conscious that you're touching your face. And so this product helps to provide you that peace of mind. Once you apply it, it will last for up to 3 hours, protecting you. That's why we call it barrier protection. It continues to work for a long period of time.
So the others also operate the same?
They all operate the same. So we have the wipes, we have the spray. So the spray, if you have an open wound, for those people whose parents or relatives have diabetes, for example, and they have a diabetic wound, this product can be sprayed directly into the wound, and it will cause almost zero sensitivity. You know, when you have an open wound, the problem is the stinging effect of the medication that is applied. This product, you will not get that. Like I said, it's all natural, and it has 0 alcohol in it. The problem with alcohol-based products is that when it's applied to the skin, consider your skin like a brick wall, and the mortar joints in your skin is essentially the fatty lipids in between the cell walls. So imagine this brick wall, and you keep throwing acid on this brick wall. What happens? All the joints, the mortar joints, will start to break and fall apart, and it'll create holes. Similarly with the skin, if you keep using alcohol on the skin, it will strip all the fatty lipids around the cell walls, and it creates a pathway for new infection. So in trying to solve one problem, you're creating another problem. So alcohol-based products are not necessarily healthy for you, because the active ingredient is the alcohol itself. Once it evaporates, you have nothing. This product, on the other hand, you use it, and for up to 3 hours, it continues to work.
Which ingredients did you use in manufacturing the Theraworks?
Okay, so it's a trade secret. However, the basic ones that we can actually publicly share, they're very basic. So it's got water, of course. It's got aloe vera in there. It's got beta-glucan, which is also a natural product. There are a number of natural products in here that together have a very powerful impact and effect on the skin and keeping disease and germs away.
In time past, you've seen the FDA publish announce that certain products have not been approved. Has this one been approved?
This is Ghana FDA approved. All of these are Ghana FDA approved. We, as I indicated, our main mission is to bring credible, solid technology, well-proven technology, innovative products to Africa that will help to reduce the health problems facing our people. That's our primary mission. And so this product has gone through all the necessary legal and regulatory requirements, and it has passed them with flying colors.
So if one wants to buy them in bulk, buy them probably 1-2 products, how the person gets them?
So there are a number of outlets that we are working with. We have a partnership with Rabito Clinics. Rabito Clinics are all over the country. They are the preeminent skincare outlets and facilities in Ghana. So you can walk to the nearest Rabito clinic, but also we have top-up pharmacies. Top-up pharmacies are based in Tema as well as in Accra, and you can get the product there. But for those of you who are very social media savvy, you can also go online. We are setting up an online store, so you can order directly. You can use your mobile money, order directly, and it can be delivered to you at wherever you may be.
Does it have any side effects?
No, not that we are aware of. This technology has been developed for almost 30 years, 30, 40 years. And to be able to go to market in the U.S., the FDA in the U.S. is one of the most stringent regulatory institutions in the world. So before you can go to market, you have to meet certain requirements. And one of them is in the sensitivity trials to ensure that there is as little after effects or side effects from any product that is being brought to market. And this product, I'm happy to say, is less than 0.004%, which is negligible. So we haven't had any experience of negative side effects or anything like that.
Okay, so now, why do people have to keep their skin good? Because some people are, I don't care people, anything goes. Why do we have to keep our body, our skin healthy?
The skin is the largest organ of the body. It's the largest. The skin is a reflection of you. If you don't care about your health, then don't worry about your skin. But if you care about your health, it is your duty to take care of your skin. The skin, as I indicated, is the quickest way by which you can catch disease. Broken skin, skin that has not been kept well, skin that is unclean, you will catch something. So it's important to always keep your skin clean. It's always important to keep your skin well conditioned, well moisturized, and keep it as healthy as you can to avoid the possibility of infection and then more serious sickness.
So I've been speaking to Charles Hamidu, and he's the International Partnership Development here at Amethyst Ghana Limited. I'm put us and I go on. In fact, body in the also to me, keep your body in it, and on any infections. We also use the products now 3 hours. Now that's all. There's a before and name, but chairman for on any problem with the body, now bacteria we are into me. How affordable are they?
They are affordable. What we have been saying to people is, look, healthcare is expensive. When you don't wait until you get sick to go to hospital or go to see a doctor or go to a pharmacist, take care of yourself. Invest in yourself, in your skin. These two, the spray and the foam, these are 2 ounce. These are going each for 65 cedis. The big one, this big foam, is going for 130 cedis. The wipes we're discontinuing for now only because we're trying to improve on the longevity. Because when you put anything wet on a fabric, it introduces other complications. And so we're trying to make sure that it lasts longer in this tropical heat in our environment. So we're discontinuing this for now.
Here in Ghana.
Here in Africa, but it will come back. So for now, we're really pushing the foam and the spray. But the way you use it is either spray directly onto the skin, or if it's a baby or it's a woman, a young lady, you want to apply it on a clean washcloth and then apply it to the skin. Okay, so we're looking at 65 for the small ones and 130 for the big ones.
Okay. Thank you very much for speaking to us.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zion.
So if you have any other thing that you want to add up?
We're going to be on City FM tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. We're going to be talking about acne. A lot of young people suffer from acne, and there are many reasons.
Exactly.
Acne is essentially the development of a spot on the skin which presents like a pimple. And the reasons or the causes are manifold. And I will entreat people to come, or rather to listen to the show tomorrow to learn more about it. We're going to have a skincare expert from Rabito Clinic who is going to talk about this skin condition. It affects so many people, and it can affect anyone. It doesn't matter about your age, your social status, or your exposure to the environment. It can happen to anyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zion. I appreciate your time.
My name is Zion Felix. Go and get any of the products. Any contact to call?
Yes, please. You may call us at 0302 545851 or 0244 573 421.
So call them and then get yourself the product in bulk or any of the shows that he mentioned. My name is Zion Felix.